If you're scattered, you're just not making good choices. And I was scattered. I was all over the map there, for a couple of years. I have been in a relationship for a couple of years that was very traumatic. Many things happening just often. Felt like I wasn't getting a break for even a week with something happening that was traumatizing and shocking to my system. I was losing sleep. If I woke up in the night, once again, gotta lay there for another 45 minutes, go back to sleep. Always being on edge and always kind of wondering what this person was going to do that was destructive in my life, and making sure that I knew what was going on and couldn't keep focused. And so my adrenaline was always up here. Not feeling present. I felt like my thoughts were always elsewhere in so many different places that I couldn't be focused and present. Even my grandkids, which are the love of my life, I could be, playing with them, but then my mind is kind of scattered, where I kind of had to, try to, stay concentrated on even the things that I love the most, Mom, over here, I'm talking to you.
Right.
Oh, what? I feel like it touched every area of my life. When I sleep so soundly. I dream all night. I'm so rested. Many times waking up before the alarm clock even goes off, and that's not like me at all. I don't have the same amount of anxiety over, what's happening, what's going on. If I do have maybe what would be like little adrenaline rush, it comes down at a normal state, where before it would just stay up there. I had my family, my immediate family, say that they've noticed that I'm just calmer, I'm more at ease, I'm just more chill, kind of like who I always was. And I know that so I'm getting back to who I am. It's not that I don't recognize this. It's okay, I'm back. Absolutely 100% recommend it. I recommend it. I would say once a day I'm telling somebody about it, because I don't care who you are. It's for everyone, but it's, especially, it could be for any age, but by our age, we've been through, divorce or death or, children and family and sickness or whatever, and things pile up without you realizing it. So I can't see that anybody wouldn't benefit from this.